Truveta Symposium is an annual event. It's a unique opportunity to bring together industry leaders and renowned researchers from life science, healthcare, and public health to come together to share ideas, to be inspired, and to do incredible work together.
Truveta Symposium is this opportunity to bring together these thought leaders that really just believe in the mission of using real-world data to transform what they're trying to do in their businesses.
Symposium is not just your ordinary academic conference. It's an exchange of brilliant minds and brilliant visions for the future.
Our goal with Truveta Symposium is to help accelerate science by enabling that collaboration, shared learning, shared expertise, and allowing these incredible researchers to build upon each other's work to make faster progress to improve healthcare for everyone.
And we're just coming up with all kinds of ideas in this short amount of time that we can then take and create these neat collaborations for changing clinical care at different health systems or how we approach different problems as a globe.
It's been incredibly exciting to see the buzz around the demo station, to see both the health system members that are contributing data, seeing their data put to use for research studies, and to see researchers from the health systems and from our life science innovators exploring new areas of opportunity to use Truveta.
One of my favorite things about Truveta Symposium are just the conversations. It's thrilling to go one-on-one and go deep on the data challenges and opportunities that our customers and members see, as well as what's inspiring them, what tough challenges they're tackling, and how together we can make faster progress.
Thank you to our customers in the pharmaceutical industry and the medical device industry and our government that made the trips out to Seattle. It is just so special to have everyone together, dreaming together about the potential of real-world data.
We believe this is a really special event that will really help inspire our team to carry our work forward and advance our shared mission of saving lives with data.